How to add Exness account in MetaTrader 5. Now, if you want to add your Exness account in MetaTrader 5, simply open your MetaTrader 5 app and go to your accounts page, or if you don't have a demo account or other account already, you will directly be opened in the account section. Now just simply tap to the plus button or add account button and tap to find broker option. In this page, you just simply need to search for Exness in here, and then a lot of Exness options will appear in this section. You just simply need to find out your Exness broker from this section. And now just simply find out and choose the Exness that you use, and then log into your Exness account after choosing the Exness from here. In order to do that, enter the login credentials such as email or password, and then tap to login button. Then this is how you can connect Exness account to MT5.